Hi friend, welcome to our YouTube channel Learn ArcGIS. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare aspect map in ArcGIS software using digital elevation model. Please follow all steps to get the aspect map. If this video is helpful and improve your knowledge, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel.